So the last video we talked about channel art. We got your YouTube channel all completed, so what's it time for now? It's time to make a video. So in this video we're going to talk about that. How do you make a video? Do you need to be in it? Are there ways to do it without you being in it? What's the best as far as that's concerned? Some equipment and some techniques that will help you make a better video. All of that coming up straight ahead. This is Daryl from Automated Wealth Creation, and for more videos on all things YouTube and online business development, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. All right, let's get into making yourself a video. The first thing we're going to talk about is practicing. I think the best thing you can do for practicing is to take 10 videos, just do it on your smartphone. Take 10 videos, say 2 minutes or more. Don't even look at them. Just take the videos and then throw them away. Delete them. The 11th video will be the first video that you put up on YouTube. It's amazing how much things will change in that time. Now, some of you are wondering, do I have to be in a video? Well, no, not really. And we're going to talk a little later about ways that you can make videos and not even have to be in them. But I think it's considerably better to be in the video, because the thing we're trying to do with these videos is to get our audience to know us, to like us, and to trust us. And if they can see us, hear us talk, you're going to be well on your way to your audience knowing you, liking you, and trusting you, and you're going to have a much more successful business rapidly because of that. People buy from us when they know, like, and trust us. They don't tend to when they don't. That being said, I've seen a lot of people with successful businesses that never appear in their videos. So it can be done. I think it just takes longer. All right, so what do you need for making your videos? Well, the first thing you need is a camera. Obviously, to take video, you're going to need a camera. Now, a lot of you are thinking, oh no, there's no way I can get a camera. I don't have the money to get a camera. Well, you probably already have a camera. If you've got a smartphone, you've got a camera. I use my smartphone, my iPhone, for most of the video that I take. The other things I take with my computer screen for screen capture, screen recording type things. You can certainly buy a camera. The digital SLRs are getting more and more affordable. For a few $100s, you can buy a nice digital SLR that will take spectacular video, more than you would ever need. But if you're really getting into it, that's probably something that you'll want to do at some point. But don't feel like you have to do that to start out. You can get great high-definition video with your phone. You probably will want to have a computer. It's much easier to edit your video if you're on a computer. However, the apps exist for editing video on your phone as well. It's a little harder, may not have some of the features, but it can be done. I know in the iOS world, iMovie is something that comes free on your phone at this point. There is an app called Kinemaster that I think to get the paid version of it is like $5 one-time charge, and that gets the watermark removed so that you can edit video with that. Very highly rated. I have it, but I've never actually spent much time with it. But again, very highly rated. The only other thing that you need is a tripod. And again, you can use something very inexpensive. I got one of the flexible tripods. I think I got mine from Walmart for less than 20 bucks, but you can get them on Amazon. Very simple to use, work well. I've seen people using them for their selfies as well. It gets the camera a little bit further away from you. They're designed to be attached to things outside and in your house, you know, can go just about anywhere. Another way I make videos is on my computer. And a lot of times these are combinations of the two. But if I wanted to show some technique on the computer, I come to my Mac. Now I'm going to show you how I do it on the Mac, but and you'll probably have to look up how to do it if you're on a PC, but it's very similar. Now I'm recording the screen, and I'm going to try to show you how to record on the screen. So some of this may not work terribly well, but I think you'll get the idea. So on a Mac, QuickTime Player is what you want to bring up, and that's how you record the screen. And you go into the File menu, and you see here it's grayed out because I'm already doing it, but you hit New Screen Recording, and then what comes up is a little box with the button to start the screen recording, and then you can choose what area by outlining it or just click and it records the whole screen. So then whatever I have up on the screen, if I want to bring a web browser up, you see that, and I can show people who are watching my videos how to do different things. Now I can actually also put myself in the screen. If I go back to QuickTime, I can do a new movie recording here. I'll show you how to do this. This looks like the button that comes up for the screen recording. And there I am. And I can make that larger or smaller, move it anywhere on the screen. So you can do both recording of yourself as well as the recording of your screen. I often leave out, when I'm doing the techniques, leave that out. Okay, so that's how you can use your computer to record things, record technique videos, how-to videos, helping people to do something like make a video perhaps. This is also the way you would make videos without showing yourself, without being in the video yourself, other than your voice. If you wanted to do this, one of the nice ways of having a good presentation is to use PowerPoint or the Mac version of that, which is Keynote. I'll bring Keynote up here and open one of my files from the past. So you can have some slides here that you can run through and narrate over as you make a video. Now, of course, again, as I said, they don't see you. You're going to struggle a little more with getting them to know, like, and trust you, but you can make a very nice video this way. You basically got your script in front of you here. Hopefully you're not just reading it, because that's going to be a little boring, but it's easy to remember where you are and that sort of thing if you've got your slides right there in front of you. So that's how you would make a video without your face appearing in it. One trouble I've had, the only difficulty I've had, is getting my videos from my phone to the computer. It's been a little inconsistent, but I think I've solved that issue now. I keep my video sections fairly short, and they're fairly easy to import. So this is in the photos and videos section on the Mac. I'm sure this will be very different on the PC, but you may have to do a little research to figure out how to do that. But with my iPhone plugged in, I click on this here, and then I choose what I want to import, and then click on import the selected ones. As long as I keep those short, that seems to go fairly well. And I can show you here my last import. I just did this one a few minutes ago. There's the sections of my video, this video that I'm working on right now. Now the only other thing that I do is if I want to export some video back to my phone, which I might do for Instagram. The way I've found that works really well to do that is to put an app called Documents on my phone, and then I go into iTunes on my computer, and again I click on the iPhone, the picture there, go into file sharing, and choose, this is what the the icon of the Documents app looks like. Choose that, go down here and add, and then I can pick whatever I want from my computer, whatever video I want to move in there. Let's say I want to move this video to my phone here. All right, click on add, and then that puts it here. Now when I click on the sync button, that will put that in that Documents app, and then I can move it to my photos on my phone, and then I could upload it to Instagram or whatever I'm doing with that. Okay, so those are a couple of things that might be helpful for you, getting video files from your phone to your computer, or getting them from your computer back to your phone if you have specific things you want to do after you've edited them. The other way to deal with that would be to edit them on your phone, and then they would never have to go anywhere else. Now, the whole idea of making YouTube videos is to get leads for your business. And you can get leads from your YouTube videos over time. But please don't send them to your affiliate offer page. Your business is almost sure to fail if you do that. You need to send them to a marketing funnel. Now, a marketing funnel is a web page that you own that helps you convert your leads into sales. You remember we talked about the know, like, and trust earlier on? That's what the funnel is. Now, of course, we don't have time. We're not going to take the time to cover that in this video here. But to get more information on how to build funnels using the leader in the space, and the one I recommend for ease of use and functionality, click on the first link below this video. There you will find a 4-day free training that teaches all the details about using ClickFunnels for building a successful online business. It will have you all by itself heading towards that 6-figure online income that you're looking for. Now, that of course is not a guarantee of income, but it's a great way to get started, and it's free, so you really have nothing to lose. And there is no pressure to take an expensive course at the end either. Now, don't forget to subscribe for more videos on making money on YouTube, and hit the notification bell so that you know when my next video comes up. And until the next video, coming soon of course, we'll talk soon.